What if I told you the secret to reigniting your vitality wasn't in a pharmacy, but right there in the produce aisle? Not some exotic root or expensive pill. I'm talking about a simple leafy green. A food so powerful, so ancient, that the Romans literally called it an aphrodisiac. A food that I call the green rocket because it doesn't just support your body, it helps launch you back to your prime. This isn't just about men's health. This is about your confidence, your spirit, your life. Are you ready to discover the missing piece? Stay with me. The most important part of the story is at the very end. Hello, gentlemen, and welcome. My name is Dr. Amelia Hayes, and as a urologist, I've spent my career talking to men just like you. The conversation almost always starts the same way. A quiet sigh of a lowered voice and the unspoken weight of a question. Doctor, is this normal? And what they're really asking about is the loss of that vital spark, that sense of power and reliability they once took for granted. The world puts so much pressure on you to be strong, to be providers, to be the rock for everyone else. But what happens when your own foundation starts to feel a little shaky? Well, what if I told you there's a solution? A simple, natural one that doesn't involve prescriptions, awkward conversations, or unwanted side effects. A solution that's been around for thousands of years, hiding in plain sight. It's a solution that can help with the core of the problem, blood flow. In the world of men's health, blood flow is everything. It's the engine of your body, and when that engine isn't getting enough fuel, everything slows down. This secret superfood is one of the most effective natural ways to get that engine running at full power again. I call it the green rocket for a reason, and in this video, we're going to uncover exactly what it is and how it works. So, what is this green rocket? It's a humble, peppery green known as arugula, or as the ancient Romans called it, rocket. For them, it wasn't just a salad leaf, it was a symbol of passion. They planted it near statues of Priapus, the god of fertility, but leaving its essence would infuse the ground with virility. The Egyptians, too, revered it, pairing it with other fertility-boosting foods like figs. They didn't have microscopes or blood pressure cuffs, but they understood something profound. This plant held a key to vitality. And they were right. Modern science has caught up to ancient wisdom. The key to arugula's power lies in one word: nitrates. When you eat arugula, your body, specifically the bacteria in your gut, converts those nitrates into something magical: nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the body's natural traffic controller for blood vessels. It tells them to relax and widen, like opening up a freeway during rush hour. For erectile function, better blood flow means a better, stronger, more reliable response. We all know that as we get older, our bodies produce less nitric oxide. This is where arugula comes in. It's like a natural supplement, a powerful turbo booster that gives your system the raw materials it needs to produce more nitric oxide naturally, without any of the risks or downsides. But arugula is more than just a nitrate delivery system. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Let's talk about magnesium. Arugula is packed with it. Magnesium is critical for over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, and it's essential for nerve function and muscle relaxation. For the smooth muscle cells in your erectile tissue, magnesium is a game changer. It helps them relax, making blood flow easier and more efficient. And gentlemen, magnesium also plays a crucial role in supporting healthy testosterone levels. It's not just about a temporary boost, it's about long-term, foundational health. Then there's zinc. We often hear about zinc for immune function, but for men's health, it's a non-negotiable. Arugula provides a good dose of this essential mineral, which is a key player in testosterone production. Low zinc levels are directly linked to reduced sexual health and even prostate issues. So, by adding arugula to your diet, you're not just supporting one system, you're building a healthier body from the ground up. Now, you might be thinking, what about spinach or kale? They're also leafy greens. That's a great question, and it's where arugula truly shines. Spinach and kale, while healthy, are high in something called oxalates. Oxalates can bind to calcium and build up in your body, potentially leading to kidney stones or worsening arthritis. Arugula, on the other hand, is naturally low in oxalates. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone who needs to manage their nutrient absorption or is at risk for kidney issues. So, you get all the incredible benefits without the potential downsides. It's a smarter green. I want to share a story with you. I had a patient, let's call him Frank. Frank was in his late 60s, a retired construction worker from Arizona. A big, proud man. He came into my office not because of a specific health issue, but because his wife had gently, and then not so gently, suggested it. He was embarrassed. He sat there, hands clasped, not meeting my eyes. He told me he felt like he was losing a part of himself. It wasn't just about the physical. It was about the shame, the feeling of letting his wife down, and the quiet despair that he was too old for this. I didn't prescribe him a pill on the first visit. I listened. And then I gave him a challenge. I told him about the green rocket. I showed him how to make a simple salad, a smoothie. I told him, Frank, this isn't a magic bullet. It's not a quick fix. This is about you taking back control. When he came back 3 months later, he was a different man. Not because everything was perfect, but because his eyes were bright again. He had started a garden. He was making his own dressing. He said, Doc, it's not just about what it does. It's about how it makes me feel. I feel like I'm doing something for myself again. He was right. The change wasn't just physical, it was psychological. He had reconnected with his body and with a sense of purpose. He found his confidence in a bunch of leaves. That's the true power of food. It's not just fuel, it's a tool for empowerment. So, how do you get this green rocket into your daily life? It's simple and it's delicious. You can start small. A handful of arugula mixed into your favorite salad. Arugula pesto on your pasta or sandwiches. You can even sprinkle it on a warm pizza right after it comes out of the oven. The heat softens it and brings out that peppery flavor. One of my favorite methods is blending it into a smoothie. Yes, a green smoothie. A handful of arugula, a banana for sweetness, some berries, and a scoop of protein powder. It's an easy, consistent way to flood your body with nitrates, magnesium, and zinc every single day. Remember, this is about a lifestyle change, not a one-time fix. Consistency is your best friend. Make it a habit. Try growing it in your own garden. It's incredibly easy to grow and can even be a fun project. Don't think of it as just a food. Think of it as a daily ritual, a small but powerful act of self-care. It's about making a commitment to your health. These small, simple steps can add up to huge, life-changing results. I know you have questions. That's a good thing. That means you're engaged. Please leave your questions in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'll do my best to provide a response. Your questions help me, and they help other men who are too shy to ask. So let's recap. We've talked about arugula, the green rocket, and its incredible ability to boost blood flow with nitrates. We've discussed its power to support testosterone and overall health with magnesium and zinc. We've seen why it's a smarter choice than other greens. But I promised you the most important part of this entire video, the ultimate secret. And it's not another vegetable. It's not a pill. It's something deeper. It's the final, crucial piece of the puzzle that so many people miss. Stay with me for just one more moment. Here is the secret. The single most powerful tool you have for your health isn't a superfood, a supplement, or a workout plan. It's you. The true secret is the commitment to change. Arugula is just a tool. The real power is in your hand, in your choice, to listen to your body and act on what you learn. It's about deciding, I am going to take control of my health today. It's about moving from a place of passive hope to a place of active, confident action. It's about building a lifestyle, one small, consistent choice at a time. The power isn't in the plant, it's in the man who decides to eat it, day after day. And that, gentleman, is a power that can't be bought. It has to be earned. By you, for your life.